Filipino songs that sound like foreign/international songs. Look, top 10, all right? A lot of people linked this over to me. And by the way, someone said, yo, Vision, you look like you don't understand. Listen, man, I'm piecing it together. It helps me work on my Tagalog, all right? Helps me work on it slightly. I understand some pieces as also, I'm not that dumb, all right? I can piece together what he's trying to say with the images that are being shown. You understand? I can piece it together. Come on, guys, please. And also the title of the video is, Filipino songs that sound like it. And so pick up the pieces. You start to understand. You feel me? Anyways, I'm excited for this. Come join me. Let's check it out together, please. Let's go.
Keep smiling, keep shining.
I love that song, by the way.
Can always count on Steve.
Malaki talaga ang impluwensya na naidulot ng mga banyagang singers sa ating mga Pilipino. Ang kanilang napakagandang mga musika ay naging inspirasyon ng iilan sa atin upang makagawa ng mga dekalidad na mga awitin. Kaya't ngayon sa video na ito ay ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang mga kantang Pinoy na madalas mapagkamalang foreign or international song dahil na rin sa kalidad at tunog nito.
You are my first romance.
Wow.
And I'm willing to
Number 10, Got to Let You Know by Tito Mina.
You're the only one I'm depending on.
Ang kantang ito ay madalas
old school
mapagkamala
feel.
noon na foreign song. Dahil bukod kasi sa English nitong lyrics, ay kaboses din ng kumanta ang American singer na si James.
Classic.
Pero
It
ito
sounds
ay kinanta ng Pinoy singer na si Tito Mina at na-release noon pang year 1983.
Old songs, man, don't they just make you feel good? Sometimes
Number
like
9,
old, like they just
Somewhere
hit.
in My Past by Julie Vega.
just tonight, but I keep wondering why. It seems I've always known you all
This does sound like a
my
song I've
Ang
heard.
kantang ito ay na-release noong year 1985. Kinumpos ni Mon Del Rosario at in-interpret ng nooy 17 anyos na si Julie Vega.
17?
Can it be true?
Wow.
Could I be wrong? There's somewhere in my past.
Yeah, you would have never known, right?
close to me and you.
Mala 70s American song
That's
ang dating at
crazy.
tunog ng kantang ito. Parang kahanay ng mga kanta ni Anne Murray at Karen Carpenter.
Can it be true?
Yo, this is really good. But you can see, like, you would have never thought.
Somewhere in my past, I fell in love with you.
Dude, that was really
Number
good.
8, Beautiful Girl by Jose Marichan.
Girl, wherever you are, I knew when I
Yo,
Ang
that
Jose
sounds like a
Marichan's
song.
1989 smash hit song na ito na pinamagatang Beautiful Girl ay masasabi ko talagang isa sa pinaka-the best English song na naisulat dito sa Pilipinas.
it was destiny's game.
What?
For when love finally came on.
Tunog banyaga ang kantang ito
Wow,
dahil na
bro.
rin sa mala American accent ni Jose Marichan
Yeah.
at nanalo rin ito ng Best Producer.
Dude, the way he's saying that. Hold on, I have to bring it back. Look at the way dude.
Destiny's
Right?
game.
Listen.
For when love finally came on.
Tunog banyaga ang
I
kantang ito
love that,
dahil na
dude.
rin sa mala American accent ni Jose Marichan at nanalo
Wow,
rin
he's
ito ng Best
phenomenal.
Produced Record of the Year by Awit Awards.
Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness.
Dude,
Number
how-
7, You've Made Me Stronger by Regine Velasquez.
But you've made me stronger by breaking my heart. You ended my life and made
Yo, this kind of sounds like old school Madonna song too. Low
Ang
key.
1995 song na ito ni Miss Regine Velasquez ay masasabi kong napaka-underrated. Di na kasi ito masyadong nare-recognize ngayon at bihira lang din ang nakakaalam na si Miss Reg pala ang kumanta nito. Maliban na lamang sa kanyang mga diehard fans.
You've taught me
sobrang lakas maka-American vibe ng kantang ito. Parang kahanay ng mga kanta ng mga sikat na international singers kagaya ni Selena, Donna
Selena.
Lewis, at Brandy. Narelease ito noong year
Yeah, I could hear
1995 at naging bahagi ng album na pinamagatang My Love Emotion.
You made me stronger by breaking my heart.
Doesn't it sound like old Madonna though too? I would say.
You've taught me everything.
Number 6. Say You'll Never Go by Neo Colors.
How can I make it through the day without you?
Yeah.
Ang romantic
Hold
song
on
na
now.
ito ay na-release noon pang year 1989. Ito ay naging bahagi ng kanilang album na pinamagatang Making It.
Say you'll never go. Say you'll never go out my way.
Ang album na ito ay nag-reach ng platinum sales during that time. At isa sa mga dahilan nito ay ang kantang Say You'll Never Go.
Say you'll never go. Say you'll never go out my way.
Yo, I can't lie, bro. These songs, like, they give me
Forever
goosebumps.
Blue by Kakay Velasquez.
Don't wanna be forever blue, 'cause I deserve some love that's true.
Ang kantang Forever Blue ay naging bahagi ng album na pinamagatang Acoustic Natin 2 na na-release noong year 2004. Isang napaka-sweet na kanta na kinumpos ni Jingle Buena at ininterpret ni Miss Kakay Velasquez.
Used to like the sound of the rain and feel your arms around me. Together we go and say.
Sa mga
Dude.
hindi nakakakilala, siya po ay kapatid ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Marami rin siyang mga songs na na-release, ngunit ang kantang Forever Blue talaga ang mas tumatak at nakilala sa Pilipinas.
Don't wanna be forever blue, 'cause I deserve some love that's true.
Yeah, you could never ever tell. That's amazing, bro. That's talent in itself.
And wishing for it every day. I guess I was wrong to want you.
Yo, she has that old school kind of like rock voice.
Number 4.
Like the female rock.
Till My Heart Aches End by Ella May Saison.
I recall that you said that you would never leave me. You told me more, so much more like when the time you whispered in my
Kung papakinggan mo ang boses ng
Hold on,
kumanta
bro.
nito, ay mapagkakamalan mo
Dude.
isa siyang African-American singer dahil sa kanyang style of singing at mataas na
Dude.
boses na malasyakakan.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurting from within.
Dude, she is
Pero
phenomenal.
ito pala ay kinanta ng isang
Oh
purong
my
Pinay
gosh.
na si Ella May Saison. Na-release noong year 1993 at naging bahagi ng kanyang album na pinamagatang Language of Soul.
Tonight and into my dream. You come and
Oh, that growl, bro.
I just keep on dreaming.
Come on now, man.
Till my heart extends.
That growl, that authenticity, bro.
Number 3. Line to Heaven by Intro Voice.
Heaven knows I've done no wrong.
Wish 1075.
I only want to sing this song.
Di ko naman nilalahat pero actually marami talagang mga Pinoy ang nag-akala na foreign song ang kantang ito. Mula sa tugtugan, sa boses, at syempre sa meaning ng kanta, ay may alin tulad mo talaga ito sa mga sikat na kanta sa Amerika.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear
Yeah, bro.
I'd call you there.
You can never tell. This just sounds like a classic, like, International song, bro.
I swear.
Ito ay nagmula sa 90s hit band na Intro Voice. Narelease ito noong year 1993 at alam nyo ba na ang kantang ito ay naisulat ng kanilang drummer na si Paco Arispacochaga dahil sa matinding kalungkutan. Ang kanyang ina ay pumanaw dahil sa sakit na cancer at makalipas lamang ang taon ay sumunod din agad ang kanyang ama dahil sa stroke.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear.
Oh man,
Tonight.
this is just beautiful though.
Exclusive on Wish.
Number 2.
Only Me and You by Donna Cruz.
Had a dream that you were far away,
Whoa!
and that someone else was in your arms today.
Ang napakagandang awitin na ito ay
Dude!
kinanta ng singer at aktres na si Donna Cruz. Ito ay nagmula sa kanyang pang-apat na album na pinamagatang Habang May Hi by The Speaks.
Will it ever be? I'm trying so hard to find sweet serenity.
Oh my
Ako
god.
personally, inakala ko talagang international band ang kumanta nito. Tunog pa lang naman kasi, at sa boses ng kumanta, ay mapagkakamalan mo talagang isang alternative rock song na gawa ng
Yeah.
mga sikat na banda sa Amerika.
This sounds like alternative.
Time won't flow. Everyone knows when the pain fades away.
Pero ito ay kinanta ng Pinoy band
What?
na The Speaks. Na-release noong year 2003, nag-rank ito bilang top 40 sa Philippines during that time at naging number 1 sa mga charts for 7 weeks.
Oh my god. Yeah, but deserving. This is amazing.
You got to hold your head up.
I love that. Dude, that is fire. Absolutely fire. Honestly, that was phenomenal, bro. You could not even tell, man. Like, if I were to hear these and, like, not have known about the Philippines at all, I mean, even though I know, like, you can't even tell. And that's amazing. That's a talent in itself. Being able to sing, like, so well that you can almost see this song just being international overall. And that's not to say that, let's say, a Tagalog song can't be international, because there is, like, some French songs that I've heard before that are international, and they can be heard internationally, but you know what I mean, right? Like, you can be, like, tricked into believing that it isn't even a Filipino singing it. That's how well they sing it, or how talented they are when they're singing English songs. Like, this is crazy, man, especially considering it's their song. So they make it this way, and it's so good. It's insane, bro. Like, when he was saying that the alternative rock song was like top 1 for like 7 weeks, deserving. That song sounds like something I would have heard when I was younger, by the way, because I listened to alternative rock back then, and I still do sometimes, right? But like, dude, that was phenomenal. I loved all of this. And speaking of love, I love you guys, and I want to say thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys. Peace.